अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल क्या है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, टेक अ बीकर एंड फिल इट विद वाटर। नाउ डिप वन फिंगर इन द बीकर, you will see water level rises slightly. Now dip two fingers in the beaker, you will see it will rise more. And now dip full hand in the water level rises significantly. Greek physicist Archimedes also performed this experiment in the bathtub. When he sits in the bathtub, he realizes that water level increases significantly. Now, keeping in view that whenever object is placed in the liquid or fluid, its level rises. Now, keep in mind these two examples, as we know that when an object is placed in a liquid or fluid, its level rises slightly due to upthrust. Archimedes' principle added in this that the upthrust or buoyant force applied by the fluid is equal to the weight of the displaced fluid. We will try to understand this by a simple experiment. Take an object of mass 5 kg, suspend with a spring balance note 5 kg, that is the first case. Now take a beaker filled with water. There is a small opening in the beaker. Water level will be up to this opening, and take a small container under this opening and drop a 5 kg mass slowly into the beaker. You will see that physical balance note reading lesser than the previous case. That is due to buoyant force acting on that mass, and due to that buoyant force, some of the water will be displaced from the opening. So the displaced water, the magnitude of buoyant force is equal to the water displaced from the beaker. That is the Archimedes principle, that when an object is immersed fully or partially in a liquid, the upward force applied by the fluid on the object is the same as the weight of the fluid displaced by the object. There is a physical application of the Archimedes principle, that ships floats on the surface of water in sea. That is due to the upthrust force, that when the ship is floating on the surface of water, the buoyant force acting on that object on the ship is equal to or greater than the weight of the ship. If in case the weight of ship is greater than the thrust, it will be sink.